Mastering SEO, the key to online visibility. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the foundation of digital marketing success. It's the process of improving your website and online content so search engines like Google can easily find, understand, and rank it. SEO begins with keyword research, identifying the words and phrases your audience uses when searching for products or services like yours. By integrating these keywords naturally into your content, titles, and meta descriptions, you help search engines connect your site to relevant queries. Next comes on-page optimization, refining elements such as headings, internal links, and image alt text to make your pages more accessible and informative. High-quality, original content is essential. It not only attracts visitors but also builds trust and authority. Off-page SEO focuses on credibility. Earning backlinks from reputable websites signals to search engines that your content is valuable. Combined with technical SEO, which ensures your site loads quickly and is mobile-friendly, these strategies create a seamless user experience. The ultimate goal of SEO is to attract organic traffic, visitors who find your site naturally through search results. Unlike paid ads, organic traffic is sustainable and cost-effective, helping your business grow over time. Remember, SEO isn't a one-time task. It's an ongoing process of analysis, optimization, and adaptation. As search algorithms evolve, staying updated ensures your website continues to rank high and reach the right audience.